Here we are in Beppu Town. Beppu Town ba to o city? Stay. Stay. In Beppu Station. Oh, here we are in Beppu Station. Oh. Meron ditong ano yung hugasan ng kamay kasi belief dito sa Japan yung naguhugas ng kamay. Yan, ito yung kanilang place. Yan na, dito kami magha-hot spring. Tutuklasin pa namin kung ano yung mga narito sa town na to. The best of Japan, Mount Fuji. Ito inland si Beppu Hot Spring. Ayun. Beppu Hot Spring. Yan. Sir Iking.